In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your name servers on Hostgator. This process is essential for managing your domain settings and ensuring your website functions smoothly. So let's get started and walk through this step-by-step guide together. First, you'll need to head over to the Hostgator website. If you don't have the link saved, simply open your web browser and type in hostgator.com. Once you're on the homepage, the first thing you want to do is look for the sign in button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to a login page where you can enter your credentials. This might be your email address and password or any other method you've set up for your account security. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Hostgator homepage. This is where you can manage all your hosting services. From here you should see an option labelled Domains. Go ahead and click on that. It will take you to a new screen that lists the domains you have under management with Hostgator. Next, look for the Advanced tab. Don't worry if your screen is a bit crowded with options. The Advanced tab is usually prominently displayed near the top menu, making it easier for you to spot and click on it without too much trouble. Once you're in the Advanced settings, find the Advanced Tools link, which might also be referred to as a subsection under your domains management options. Clicking on that will open up a variety of additional features related to your domain settings. Among these tools, you'll find the Nameservers DNS section. This is a critical part of managing your domain, as name servers are fundamental in translating human-friendly domain names into IP addresses. Click on Nameservers DNS to open the settings related to how your domain is routed on the internet. Now you'll see the Manage button. Go ahead and click that. It will lead you to yet another page or section within your Hostgator account where specific actions can be taken on your domain's DNS settings. At this stage, you might encounter a prompt that requires you to double check the domain you're managing, particularly if you have multiple domains. Once you're sure you've selected the correct domain, confirm by clicking on the Continue button. Finally, you'll come across the Manage Name Servers DNS option. Clicking here will direct you to the section where your current name servers are displayed. You can now view, edit, or note down your name servers for use when configuring your domain with other services or hosting providers. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Hostgator's dashboard to locate your name servers. This process is crucial if you need to connect your domain to different services or make changes to your hosting setup. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below.